Hello guys, welcome back. I have a quick, easy, awesome, maybe I'm biased, but this video is pretty awesome. I have a low carb, diabetes, keto friendly, hot chocolate for you. So it's quick, there's just 5 ingredients and it literally took me like 5 minutes to make. So I've been looking for a good recipe for a little while, and there are a lot of options online and a lot of hot chocolate you can buy ready, but this is the one you can make at home with really simple ingredients. So let's go. Let's start with our ingredients. You will need some measuring cups, measuring spoons, almond milk. You can use coconut milk or any type of protein, nut milk of your choice. Monk fruit. You can also use any sweetener of your choice. You could use stevia, sucralose, things like that. Cocoa powder, unsweetened. Vanilla, a large container or saucepan to stir in, and some heavy cream. All right, you can use a bowl for this, or you can do it right into the saucepan like I did, but you're gonna do 3 tablespoons of your unsweetened cocoa powder mixed with 2 tablespoons of your sweetener. You're just gonna mix that together. You are not putting any heat right now. There is no heat on right now. This is just, we're using this as a mixing bowl. Then you're gonna do 1/2 cup of the heavy whipping cream, but you're gonna do a little bit at a time, almost like a tablespoon at a time. And you're gonna mix as you go. And this is still off the heat. Once you've poured in all of that, it's gonna look pretty pasty at this point. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna stream in your almond milk. So for this part, you're gonna do low to medium heat, and you're gonna just slowly pour in that milk and stir frequently as you go. And you're just gonna let that simmer. You're not gonna let it come to a boil. Make sure it does not boil, but you are gonna let it simmer. You're gonna mix it frequently. Once you see all those little bubbles come up and it starts to simmer, you're gonna let it simmer for about a minute. And then you're gonna turn off your heat, add your vanilla. I did 1 teaspoon. You can add more if you'd like. This whole pot makes about 2 servings, so you can add a little bit more if you like more of a vanilla flavor. This was plenty for me. And that is it, you guys. Get your favorite mug, pour it in, and you're ready to enjoy. Like I said, this makes about 2 servings. If you wanna do a full mug, it'll do maybe like a mug and a half. And then you can add to taste. I did one and I added a little bit more stevia because I like mine really sweet, but this felt just really rich, chocolatey. It just felt like delicious, regular hot chocolate. It is so good. I really hope you guys try this. And thank you so much for being here. I told you it was gonna be a quick video. But I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, I wasn't camera ready, but I decided that I should test it on camera, so. Let's try it. It smells really good. It's hot. Oh my God, that is so good. Wow. Wow. That's ridiculous.